Hello, welcome back. Some people call it conch salad, others call it conch salad, but in Puerto Rico we call it ensalada de carrucho, and this is how we make it in the island. So go nowhere, let's create. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash them. See how it looks. So what you do is you put them inside a pot, fill out with water, at least enough water to cover them. You want to put the heat up around low or a little bit higher than low. Add some salt. Cover it. And you just let it cook. I don't know how long this is going to take. It could take 30 minutes, it could take 40 minutes, it could take an hour. This is one of the things that you have to watch, inspect to make sure the stuff is actually cooked. But I will show you how you do that. We have onions. I prefer white onions. I cut it into tiny pieces. I'm using half an onion for now. If I need more, I just cut more. Cilantro, which is optional, some people don't like it. Cut into tiny pieces. Ripe tomato, cut into tiny pieces. Green bell pepper, cut into tiny pieces. About 3 or 4 bay leaf. I have 1 tooth of garlic, which I'm going to squash using the thing. Red bell pepper, cut into tiny pieces. Olive, cut it in half. This one had the little red thing. I'm using white vinegar. You can use the apple cider type if you want to. Extra virgin olive oil. Also have a lime. I'm going to use half of it, and I'm going to squeeze it in the thing. Some black peppercorns to taste, salt to taste, and everybody had their own personal touch. So in my case, I'm going to be using some other types of olive. In addition to all this, I'm going to have an avocado, which I'm going to cut in slices and add it to my salad once my salad is prepared. 45 minutes, although the last 15 or so minutes I did increase the heat a couple notches higher. I wanted to accelerate this a little bit. Let me see how it looks. Yeah. Had that slight pinkish color. It's ready. Now I have to cut the stuff into tiny pieces. So once you have the conch or the carrucho cooked, all you have to do is just cut it into the size of pieces that you want. You know how big of the piece you want, that's up to you. I like it tiny pieces, so I cut into squares, and I'm going to continue cutting this to look like this. I mean, it's straightforward. So all you have to do is put all the ingredients together and mix them up well. I haven't added the carrucho yet, or the conch. I haven't added yet, but I added everything else. I haven't put the salt and the pepper yet. That's a taste thing. You can add it anytime once you add the carrucho. And I haven't added yet the uh, olive oil and vinegar because I want this mix good first. Looking pretty nice. So I'm going to add about half a cup of the white vinegar. You can add more, you can add less, that's up to you. But what I'm going to do for sure, I'm going to add a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. See how it looks? And I'm going to start mixing it up. See, it has to feel oily. And if it doesn't feel like that, add a little bit more. See how it looks? Oily and wet. You mix it well. See how the carrucho looks? So now you have all the ingredient mixed. And this is the time that you grab a lime and you squeeze it. Or you can use a squeezer, but I have strong hands, so I just squeeze it myself. If your hands are not as strong, use one of those lime or lemon squeezers. If you want to add some salt and pepper, you do that now. You see, this is how simple. Ensalada de Carrucho.